Yes, I know you want to learn how to create AI videos. So I'm going to be showing you how you can create AI videos in this very video. And all you need to do is with your mobile phone. You don't have to pay for subscription. You don't have to pay for nothing. Just your mobile phone and internet connection. That is all. It is a very simple process and it's not hard. Without wasting much of our time, let's get on with it. So the first thing you need to do first is to have a story idea of what you want to create. And if you don't have a story idea, you can just simply head on to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a story idea for you. But I already have a story idea and it is on my phone. So you can see on my phone here, this is a story I'm currently writing, but I'm not even done with the story. I'm not even done with the story actually. It's still, what's wrong with it? It's just part of the story that I have written. So I've copied the story and I came to ChatGPT. Okay, you can see here is the story I wrote. I'm not done with the story actually. I was trying to make the story very easier for ChatGPT to actually be able to understand, and I dropped the story here. And if you look at the last part of the story, look at what I told ChatGPT to do for me. If you look at here, I said write this story in dialogue and help me to generate character image prompt and scene image prompts. ChatGPT wrote the story in dialogue. You can see scene one, make it conversational so that it can be easy to understand, to follow through, because you are going to be converting this story into video. So when it is easy to understand, it's easy for anybody to flow through with the story. So you can see this is the story. I'm actually not done with this story. So and then the image generation, let's head on to it. Can see character image. So ChatGPT created the first image prompt for the boy, and for us to convert this story now to our video, all we have to do is copy this first image prompt to get the character image that we'll be using for this video. That is the characters that will be inside the video, and we go to our next tool which we'll be using, and it is called Whisk AI or Whisk Lab. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, so if you want to see, you can simply go to the description of this very video and click on the link there, or you can go to your Google AI and search Whisk. I already have it on my Chrome, so I'm just going to go back. So now that my Whisk Lab has opened, the first thing we need to do is enter the tool. If you've not created an account, you just have to create. Now on this part here, you're going to click on this in add images. So when you click on this add images, it will take you to this part, and you click on this box here, because the image we want to add is a prompt and we want it to generate. But if you already have an image you want to convert, all you have to do is just in this other box here, you put your image. On this other box you put your image there, but we want to write a prompt to generate an image for us. So I'll click on it. I'm just going to paste the prompt, the image prompt, and then I'll click on generate. Now it will be generating this video. Let me go and copy the second image prompt for this very video. So right now I have generated all the image. Now the next thing we need to do is to generate the scene image. So you have to go back to your ChatGPT, generate the scene one image prompt. So when you generate the scene one image prompt, this time around you are going to be pasting that image prompt in this box here. If you remember the first one we did, we have to click on this add image, then we generated, but this time we are going to be clicking here, and when we click here you also click on this add email. So when you click on this add email, it will take you here again as well. Then you select, and one thing about Whisk AI is you can only select 3 images when you are creating your scenes. You cannot select more than 3. So from within the range of 1 to 3, anything above 3 it will not generate. I've selected the 3 image, which means I want these 3 people to appear in scene one image, and look at what it generated for me. I'm okay with this first image. It's actually okay for me. So I'm going to download this first image, and the next app we are going to be using is the Grok AI. Please, if you've not been following me, or if you are seeing my video for the first time, please like, follow, drop a comment for us. And if you want us to do something for you in our next video, tell us the kind of videos you want us to do for you, and I will do that for you. Remember, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we post new videos on our YouTube channel. So now let's head on to the Grok AI. If you are using an Android phone, you can go to Play Store to download it. If you are using an iPhone, just go to your Apple Store and download it. So when you download it, it will appear. When it opens, you log in, you register with your email, then you click on the imagine. If you're using an Android, at the top screen you'll be seeing ask and imagine. Click on the imagine. But if you're using an iPhone, you see 3 icons at the top screen. Click on those 3 icons, then you will see imagine and some other options. Click on the imagine and you select the picture. This is the picture I downloaded, which Whisk AI generated for us. Now I'm going to have added my prompt, and let's listen to let's listen to it. You can see it is a very simple thing. So the next thing I'm going to do now is download. This is the download button. So all you have to do is click on the download button, and the video will be downloaded into your phone. This is how you are going to repeat all the process until you are done. When you are done, the last stage you do is head on to CapCut. You use CapCut, you add all the videos together, edit the parts you don't want away, and you edit it, add some other features and everything you want to do, you upload. If you enjoyed this video, please tell us in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Remember, I remain your coach Mena.